this is what CC disconnection, 1 CC disconnection, formation of acetone plus pH CH2, this CH2, and this is what again CH, this is what again CH2, 1 2 carbon, this 2 carbon is there, and formation of what OH is here, this formation of what Br is here. If you are treated with Br, so it is again we can write pH CH2 CH2 MgBr. So this is what a Grignard reagents, these are the Grignard reagents. Then we know that this again the plan of analysis, this is converted into the this alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. Then what is the plan of synthesis? First यहाँ पे हमने जो reagent species फॉर्म किए, यहाँ पे हमने जो reagent species फॉर्म किए, that is the isopropyl alcohol and Grignard reagent. First we are having this isopropyl alcohol. It is treated with what HCl and CrO3. As you can see, PCC is also. So this isopropyl alcohol is converted into acetone. This oxidation takes place, and if it is reacted with what again pH CH2 MgBr, pH CH2 MgBr, this converted into what, this is a CH3 as it is, and CH2, this one is the pH, this converted into OH is a alcohol, hydrolysis in acidic condition, ether, diethyl ether as an organic solvent. Then it is reacted with the H plus acidic condition, formation of what, this is the secondary alcohol, and then loss of these types of the compound, and formation of here double bond CH2, this CH2 is as it is, here CH2 is as it is, and this one is the pH. How many carbon? 1 2 carbon. This is a target molecule. This is what a target molecule. So this is one of the analysis plan, and this one is the synthesis plan. Very simple. First you should know this how you select or identify the target molecules having which types of the function group, and we know that each and every organic compounds or hydrocarbons which contain any function group is there, and we know that the basic thing is that how it is obtained. So the next example for the target molecules analysis, if we are having the these types of the compound like this, so this is the target molecules, Tm is there. So this target molecules, how it is obtained? First, what is the plan of analysis? इसका analysis plan क्या होगा? Suppose this target molecules, अब इसका हमें analysis करना है. Target molecules contain the hydroxy alcohol and alkene is there. Alcohol and alkene is there. So we know that how alcohol is obtained. How the alcohol is obtained? This first of all, these compounds which are having this CC disconnection. If you want to the CC disconnection, what happen? CC disconnection. Here formation of these types of the synthon as positive charge, this CH2 is negative charge, double bond is here, and this is the synthon. What is the synthetic equivalent of such types of the species? This is the synthetic equivalent is what? HC triple bond C acetylene, and this is what? C double bond O, these are the acetone. So this is the acetone. If it is if you want to, this is a disconnection. Here is what? Disconnection like this. We obtain the types of the another species, that is the CO disconnection. If the CO disconnection takes place, there is no route for the synthesis, a proper synthesis. If you want to this break these types of the bond CC, this CC bond is break, then what happen? There is a generation of this hydroxy group, and this alkene is here. This one is the positive charge, and no doubt here CH negative charge, this is what CH double bond CH2, and the synthetic equivalent is that CH. So this lone pair of electrons having tendency, there in formation of what, again what is the synthetic equivalent, there is what triple bond is here and C double bond is here. So no doubt there is formation of these types of the species, but when we call these types of the species, this react with the base. If it is react with the base, then this base is attack on these types of the carbon as well as these types of the carbon. That's why this route is falls down, and we select the proper route because of the plan of the synthesis also important. So if you are also, it is a feasible, it is a favorable and feasible. If you have the starting reactant molecule in the plan of the synthesis, अब हम इसे क्या इसका हमें synthesis करना है. The starting reactant molecule HC triple bond C, H, it is reacted with the base, it is NaNH2 sodamide. It is reacted with the base NaNH2 sodamide. Then what happen? It is a formation of the negatively charged species. Formation of what? A negatively charged species, and which attack on these types of the compound. So that what happens here? Formation of what? H. Here H, C. Triple bond C, again what, it convert into the OH. Again the first step is what happen, nucleophilic attack is takes place, and the second step is what, second step H plus acidic condition, this CH3 as it is here, CH3 and CH3. Again we want to this what H2PDC in presence of barium sulfate, poisonous gas is there. So then it is reduction is takes place, this convert into the double bond, triple bond is converted into double bond, and there is formation of these types of the target compound. This is the target molecules, these are the target molecules. See this like way, this is what, CH3 and CH3. Isn't got it. Then we are going to the next target molecules analysis plan of such types of the compounds. If you are the olefin is there, so for the preparation of the olefin, the another route is also takes place. If you are having these types of the species, first phase species, if break these types of the bond directly these target molecules, then is formation of this carbonyl compound, and here what, PH CH2 Br is there. So this react with this species is what happen, by using this PH Br. So this what a PPH3 triphenyl phosphine. So PPH3 triphenyl phosphine, I am telling you that this in plan of the synthesis, it is what a types of the Wittig reaction. This is what a Wittig reagents, then formation of these types of the plan. As you can say, this is the analysis followed by synthesis. तो यहाँ पे अल्किन जो है वो विटिग रिएजन से भी प्रिपेयर किया जाता है. As you can say, this is again another types of the one of the halide is used for the formation of this epoxide is that. So if you have the starting reactant molecule is like this types of the compound is there. So if you have to do this preparation, this formation of what, these types of the species, that is formation of the epoxide. So if you have to provide such types of the target molecules, then what is the plan of analysis synthesis? As you can say, what is the retrosynthesis of given compound? यहाँ पे इसका retrosynthesis plan क्या होगा? That is the alpha beta unsaturated compound is there. So these types of the species you have to provide it. This is one. This is not a side. This is yes, epoxide is there, and this is what? These types of the compound which are having the two functional group is there, epoxide and what, carbonyl compound. So how epoxide is obtained? What is the analysis? First I am writing this is the analysis. अब इसका analysis क्या होगा? What is the analysis? So here CO disconnection, as you can say, these types of the species is obtained, or I am writing this is the directly, this is what, this FGA, as you can say FGI. So what happened here, olefin and this double bond is there. Again what, again we can take another in continuation of the part, that is this carbonyl compounds, it is by reduction methods, and then formation of what these types of the species is here. As you can say, this OH and this is what this double bond O. again another types of the analysis is takes place. But up to this, what is the plan of synthesis? What is the plan of synthesis? अब इसका synthesis क्या होगा? So this is what, by using what, that is H2O2 OH minus. So this is the per acid is used. This is what the per acid. This is the per H2O2 hydrogen peroxide. This is the H2O2. Instead of it, can this MCPBA also, MCPBA. But MCPBA it is most useful for not a selectivity. तो ये selectivity के लिए यूज किया नहीं जाता. जैसे कि हमारे पास साइक्लोहेक्सिन है. If we can take this MCPBA, meta chloro per benzoic acid, then formation of what, in one step reaction their oxidation is takes place, their formation of what, a epoxide. So these types of MCPBA or trifluoro per acetic acid are used. So this is one of the plan of another synthesis. This is a use as what, a particular a stereoselectivity. It is the stereo selectivity is there. So the specific reagent is used for the preparation